Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're gonna see how to scan documents on any Android smartphone. So the first step is to open your Google Drive. From here, tap on New. Now tap on Scan. Now from here, you can scan your document. Just focus on it. Alright. Now from here, you can crop or rotate your image like that. Hit apply. From here, you can apply filters, retake your photo, or delete the taken photo. If you tap on the plus icon over here, you can add another document like that. Scan your document. And as you can see, we have scanned two documents. Now, tap on Done to save your document. From here, you can rename your file. I'll name it photo. Alright. From here, you can choose the format of your file. You can either choose PDF or JPG. I'll choose PDF. Hit on save. Now, as you can see, we have successfully saved our PDF file and scanned our document. Also, there is another method to scan your documents. Just go to your camera app. From here, just focus on your document. Now, as you can see, a small icon appears on your display. Just tap on it and it will scan your document. From here, you can rotate your image. Hit on save. As you can see, we have scanned our document. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.